Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the contact image not working on iOS 17. There's actually two fixes, so just slap the like button and let's start. The first way is if you have your contact, right? Let's say it's a test contact and so on, the image is just not working. Chances are you have bad internet connection and it didn't synchronize, especially if the contact has iCloud. So make sure you fix that. Just to restart your phone or just add a photo. So click on add and just add any photo. If one particular photo does not work, chances are it's on your iCloud and it needs time to actually be downloaded on your phone. So this is one of the fixes. Using another photo or emoji or whatever. When you click that, it should work after that. If none of this works, another option is, because it's a new function, is going over to settings right here. And on settings, you want to go down, click on general, and then you want to navigate to the second option that says software update. Now it's on. And here you want to make sure you are up to date. Right now I'm iOS 17.0.3. Comment down below which version of iOS do you have, and if you have any questions, let me know there. Subscribe if you're new, like if it helped you out. See you next one. Bye.